Hi, I'm Miss Katie Leigh. I'm an art teacher, friend, and creative. Sometimes we can treat our brain like a messy closet, but when we give our brain the time to collect and reflect, our brain does an exceptional job organizing our thoughts and cares. One way you can do this is by creating a time capsule. I created a time capsule to help me reflect on what a wild year it has been. I let my brain reflect on each item as I placed it in the box by matching it to a memory that was in my head. I think my future self will have a lot of fun rediscovering my collection from the past.
Curiosity Club on WFYI is brought to you by PNC. Grow up great.